From a legal point of view, where does the liability fall? Let's say I don't know, eat something and get deformed. I don't know, most basic level. Who's responsible?
Yeah, so look, that's really interesting because guess what they've put into the legislation? A provision that protects them from civil and criminal liability. So Clause 187 it is, protects certain persons from civil and criminal liability for any act that that person does or admits to do in performance of their functions or duties under this bill. And then we've got the situation about if something causes harm and someone's injured, well, then our reliable ACC or accident compensation scheme will supposedly step in. But, what about crops? What happens if my neighbour produces a
Yeah.
GMO crop and then what it will invariably do will then possibly impact my crop just down the road? Whether or not that person's going to be liable, I don't know. We'll have to see. There's certainly cases prior to the GMO where there is spray, drift, and the like, and that causes an impact to a person's commercial interests with not being able to have their crop come to fruition and losing out on the market value of their crop for that year. So it's kind of a bit of a mixed bag. It seems that they've cleared themselves, the government and the regulator, of liability. If anyone gets hurt, then ACC will step in. And then if anyone loses any commercial interests, possibly they may be able to bring a claim. But again, that's going to be nasty. That's going to be a long, lengthy court battle, a battle of experts.
Well, I'm wondering if this is what's relied upon.
Well, they certainly do. Let's make it confusing. And
And
that's,
expensive.
yeah, and that's why, we've had difficulties with a lot of our court cases. We can't get them to court because the judges don't want to hear the evidence.